I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagel pizza. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need your favorite bagels, a tasty pizza sauce, plenty of shredded cheese, and any toppings you desire. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking. Finally, carefully slice each bagel in half horizontally, creating two perfect bases for your delicious mini pizzas. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and satisfying meal. Now that your bagels are ready, it's time to build your pizzas. Begin by spreading a generous layer of pizza sauce on each bagel half. About 1 to 2 tablespoons per half works perfectly. Then sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This creates that classic cheesy goodness. Finally, add your chosen toppings, whether it's savory pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or crumbled cooked sausage. Get creative and make it your own. With your bagel pizzas assembled, it's time to bake them to perfection. Carefully arrange your creations on a baking sheet, ensuring they have a little space between them. Place the sheet into your preheated oven and bake for 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the cheese is wonderfully bubbly and has a beautiful golden hue. For an extra crispy crust, you can broil them for the final 1 to 2 minutes, but watch them closely. Your delicious bagel pizzas are now ready. Carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven. It's important to let them cool for a few minutes before taking that first bite. This prevents burns and allows the cheese to set perfectly. For larger bagels, consider cutting them into halves or quarters, making them easier for everyone to enjoy. Serve them warm and savor your homemade, quick, and satisfying bagel pizza creation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.